Ever noticed that your home expenses keep growing every month? Or wondered how you will pay your bills this month? Exacerbating consumers' pain, the prices, bills, and taxes are increasing constantly, making everyone frustrated of rising inflation. Imagine, what if you could eliminate all your taxes, had no more monthly bills, and the ability to earn $10,000 per week or more, simply by turning your monthly bills into banks that bring you cash flow. But wait, you might be wondering, is that actually possible? The simple answer is yes. There's a 100% foolproof way to make this happen for you, just like it has helped thousands of people around the world. Wondering how? Let us unveil the secret of getting your rent or mortgage payment cut down to $0 in 14 to 30 days or less. Welcome to the Miracle System, a new bill relief program that provides education to teach people just like you to eliminate all types of bills and to learn how to become a leader by helping others earn $3,000 to $4,000 or more within the next 14 to 30 days now. Isn't it incredibly amazing? We've actually found a way to turn your bills into banks. Yes, turn your actual bills into incoming cash flow and bank accounts instead of taking all of your hard-earned money away. The Miracle System Rotator is very simple. The first step is you must have a desire to eliminate your bills. Now, step 2 is that you want to get in position, create a bank, and designate it towards eliminating that expense. Step 3 is that you want to let our team of like-minded individuals help you reach your goals. Step 4 is to let us help you while you help yourself in generating wealth and becoming free from the government slave network. We do this by adding you to a rotator that is set up to eliminate all of your monthly bills. The first part is no more monthly bills. The second part is life enhancement and enrichment. And third part is scale up to scale up, meaning you increase your skills in order to scale up your income. All banks that will be created are Housing Bank, Taxes Bank, Car Expenses Bank, Fund Bank, Child Care Bank, Clothing Bank, Vacation Bank, Health Insurance Bank, Life Insurance Bank, Entrepreneur Bank, Personal Development Bank, Contribution Bank, Retirement Bank, Holidays Bank, Investment Bank, Real Estate Bank, and Nonprofit Bank. Our goal is to help people get to at least $5,000 to $10,000 or more per month. Now, some members even create $40,000 per month and more with the Miracle System. So do not wait. Set your target and go for it with Miracle System. Now it is your turn. Get back to the person that shared this video with you, and we will take care of the rest.